The Sankirtan movement was started by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years ago for mitigating the sufferings of the people of the world. He predicted that in every village, in every town, on the surface of the globe, let this Sankirtan movement be spread up and people will be happy and they will thank Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That was his prediction. Actually, this is happening now. So, our simple method, we go everywhere, all over the world, chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and we attract people, especially younger generation, boys and girls. Sometimes the newspaper reporters, they ask me, why these young men and young women, they are very much attracted with this movement. I reply, that is the success of the movement. Because younger generation, they are the flowers, the future hope of the country, of the world. If they take this movement seriously, then the whole world will be happy. Romanchakam pasutaram hajo vande